But eventually, I think we will. In fact, in the mornings, so I know a lot of people like to get outside and walk around in the mornings. In the mornings, you actually do need a jacket. I mean, temperatures have been getting fairly cool in the morning. This is our Fort Worth camera. It's gorgeous outside right now, and temperatures are only in the 50s. And the wind right now, it's out of the south at 7 miles an hour. But we've got a weak cool front moving in today, and it's going to happen sometime this morning. But you're not going to notice it much. The wind is going to shift to the north. That's going to come through dry, but the wind's going to stay light today. 64 right now in Dallas, but 54 in Denton, 53 in Bowie, 64 in Terrell, 70 degrees right now in Corsicana. Satellite and radar showing you do have mostly clear skies right now. We do have some of those high thin clouds moving in from the west, but today we're still going to see a lot more sunshine than any cloud cover. However, we will start to see increasing clouds, more so on Tuesday, but Tuesday for now looks nice and dry. This is going to be Tuesday at 7 o'clock, and you can see a couple of raindrops showing up in parts of southern Oklahoma. Our better rain chances don't arrive until sometime during the day on Wednesday. And as of right now, we're going to still go with about a 50% coverage on Wednesday, but this is going to be Wednesday at 7 o'clock, and it looks like a lot of the rain may be just east of the Metroplex. I still think there's a decent chance this starts to move back a little bit, so we're still going to go with that 50% coverage. But right now, a lot of the data is showing that our highest coverage is now going to fall on Thursday. This is going to be Thursday at 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see just how heavy that rain is just west of I-35 east and west. And this is going to start to make its way off to the east, basically parking itself right over the Metroplex late in the afternoon. This is going to be 4 p.m. Later in the evening, we still have some rain. It's going to be lighter, but then later that night, it all goes away. And then Friday looks gorgeous. Temperatures in the low 70s, and we look dry. So on Wednesday, we have a 50% coverage. On Thursday, we're going up to 70% coverage, especially during the day. Friday, we're looking dry, but now next weekend, rain chances are moving back in. But for now, we've got a 30% coverage on Saturday and a 20% coverage on Sunday. So we have quite a few rain chances over the next week. Here's the deal, though. We could see quite a bit of rain. By the time it's all said and done, all around the Metroplex, we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. And it's been a while since we've had that much. So today, mostly sunny, warm and dry, and a light wind. Temperatures making it into the low 80s today. Tonight, though, under mostly clear skies, pretty pleasant. We're dropping down into the low 60s, and that wind's going to pick up a little bit more, but this time it's going to be out of the south. So tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the upper 80s. That would tie the old record high. On Tuesday, we're going to see 84 degrees. That would beat the record high, despite the cloud cover moving in. But by Wednesday, we've got a 50% coverage of rain and storms. Storms look even more likely on Thursday. Next weekend, we have a chance of rain. The second half of that 14-day, it is starting to look even cooler. We even have some 50s in there the day after Thanksgiving. But now we also have a chance of rain on Thanksgiving. But we'll fine tune it as we get closer. That could also go away. Janelle, back to you.